Water Indonesia pada siang hari ini. Pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas terkait topik dari Ini tes atau mulai sih? Halo? Selamat siang seluruh peserta Water Indonesia. Perkenalkan, saya Broto dari PT Sarana Era Indonesia. Dan di sebelah saya ada Mr. Alessandro dari SAER Elettropompe, manufaktur pompa asli dari Italia. Dan pada kesempatan siang hari ini kami akan membahas sebuah topik, yaitu proses desalinasi. So, Mr. Alessandro, what is desalination?
Desalination is the process to make seawater drinkable, in a very few words. And SAER, our company, can supply all the products that are necessary to, let me say, to make the desalination process possible. So desalination is in this process, the material is crucial, the selection of material. Our company is producing pumps in different materials, so we can supply water pumps, as you can see here, in stainless steel 316, in duplex, super duplex 5A, bronze, nickel aluminum bronze, ductile iron and cast iron for the different steps of the process. Super duplex, of course, is the best solution ever for seawater. This is the best solution as far as the resistance to corrosion is concerned.
Okay, so desalination is a process where you take salt water and make them into fresh water.
That's true.
And the selection of material is really crucial. So your recommendation is using super duplex.
Yes, it depends on the step of the process. Of course, in the first steps in intake pumps and let me say in the first steps when the water is not yet treated, the super duplex material is the most is the more suitable product for seawater. I'm referring especially to the seawater intake storage pumps that should be supplied in duplex or super duplex mostly.
Can you tell us the process of desalination so we could get a better understanding in this context?
Sure. The first step is the intake. So the seawater intake system has to be designed in order to ensure that enough seawater is coming, and for this first step we supply normally borehole pumps. As you can see, borehole pumps is a big range in SAER. We supply borehole pumps up to 14 inches in different executions, radial type and semi-axial types. The semi-axial types are the most required in this for this type of application because we have a larger variety of models and materials, and also the super duplex is possible. Motors of the super duplex pumps, of the borehole pumps, are also produced by our company, and actually we produce motors up to 300 kilowatt. We are already in the second step, the pre-treatment stage. In this step we need pumps able to handle water with solids, so we have a sewage range, sewage submersible pumps, and we have also the centrifugal and suction open impeller pumps, NCA series, which is fit for pumping water with solids up to a size of 10 centimeters. Filtration is we can say, the heart of the process for seawater reverse osmosis desalination systems. For this particular task, we offer multi-stage pumps in different design. We have a ring section type, TM, TMB, and TMV series, available again in super duplex. They can give you a pressure up to 60 bar, and they are particularly fit for very heavy duty jobs. And we also have the more standard design, vertical type MK series, available in stainless steel 316. In this case, the suction and delivery is on the same line, so we call them inline pumps.
So filtration is the heart of the reverse osmosis, the desalination process, right?
That's true, that's true.
So this is the process where you take out the salt and other minerals from the salt water.
Exactly.
Okay.
This is.
So what is your recommendation for this process? Your recommendation of material for this process?
Again, we need a very a material that is able to handle seawater, water with a high level of salt or other contaminants. So the best solution remains the super duplex for this type of application and use. We are already in the next step. The cleaning place is a method of cleaning the inner surface of pipes, equipment, filters, and other fittings. And here we see our range of end suction pumps available in different execution. We have the IR series, that is the close coupled solution, where there's a single shaft joining pump and motor. It's the cheaper solution. We have the MG series. MG is a stop shaft type of pump execution, where you can fit the motor through a rigid coupling. And then we have the more complete solution, the long coupled solution. Our ranges are named NCB and NCBK. In this case, the pump is connected to the motor through a flexible coupling, and the pump and motor stand on a base plate. So this is the more, let's say, common and complete solution.
So all of these 4 steps are crucial in taking salt water into fresh water. So do you have any other tips for operation for the system so we could make it better, more efficient, more effective?
Yes, efficiency, let me say, is the main topic every day, more and more. And let me say that, of course, we didn't talk about the last step, that is storage and distribution. Of course, this is another important step. And in this case, we have different solution, either in suction or multi-stage, can be used in the distribution of pumps, even in standard material like stainless steel 316 or cast iron. Another important information for you to know is that our company is able to supply the full package, pumps and motors, because we also produce electric motors and up to 110 kilowatt. All of them available for use through VFD, so variance inverter VSD. Okay.
So the inverter shall make the process more efficient and cost effective, right?
Of course, more efficient, more effective, and less consumption. All our motors now are available with the IE4 efficiency standard, so we are complying with the European standards. So we are offering you the best quality and the more efficient solutions on the market.
So SAER Elettropompe is manufactured in Italy and could supply the desalination pump from the start to the finish, from the intake, from the storage to cleaning place and the distribution, right?
Right. we can say that we can supply all the pumps that are necessary during the entire process of desalination. We have a worldwide market now, and so we are offering and selling our pumps in different locations, not only Asia, also Middle East, South America, Europe.
So you produce your pump in Italy with variety of materials. So can you please explain to us how long the delivery time or the manufacturing time, so the product from your factory to get into us in Indonesia?
Yes, our company has 5 plants. All of them are in Italy. We fully control the production from machining to testing. And our policy is to keep a very large stock of materials in-house. So delivery time is one of our highlights. Average delivery time for SAER is between 2 and 3 weeks. So I think that it's an unbeatable.
Yeah, 2 in 3 weeks for single pump. Yeah, that's incredible.
Any material, because we also stock casings and impellers in super duplex, in bronze, stainless steel. So whatever material you need, we are able to deliver very, very quickly.
Okay. What if the user and the customer here in Indonesia require some kind of certificate of performance test? Can SAER Elettropompe supply it?
Of course we can. We have 2 testing rooms in the company, and we can perform factory acceptance test, either witnessed or non-witnessed at any time. We have all the tools to give you also additional test reports. For example, certificate on materials and vibration, noise test, any type of test. So whatever product you see in our range, in our catalog, can be tested through our facilities.
Okay. Do you have any other opinion or advice for us in this topic, desalination?
Let me say that desalination is super important nowadays because, of course, in the current scenario, in any country, people prefer to treat wastewater than
salt water.
Exactly, salt water instead of consuming fresh water from underground. So my advice is to choose the best quality all the time in this important process. So, and we can offer this type of quality.
Okay, Alessandro. Thank you very much for your advice, for your presentation for this topic in desalination. It is really enlightened us in this content. So I believe that is all the time we have left for today. So apabila ada dari penonton di sini yang memiliki kebutuhan terkait pompa desalinasi, bisa menghubungi kami di info@sarana@saerindo.com. Seperti itu, maka akan kami respon dan akan kami support terkait kebutuhan lainnya, tidak hanya desalinasi. Sekian dari kami, terima kasih.
Thank you.